to the Dram Diaries. I'm Chanel. This is Peter.
Double Dram Blind, 2 whiskeys. We don't know what they are. We're going to let you know what we think and if we would want to buy them again and what we would pay for them. And it's super fun to do.
Ooh, that
oh man,
is
what?
strong.
It's just sweet and honey. I don't get much. What do you get on it?
I literally feel like I can smell corn.
Okay, fair enough. Yeah,
Sweetness and corn, actually.
Yeah. Same.
That's actually literally. Is this the same thing?
That's crazy. I don't know which one to start with. There, yeah.
Okay, let's do A.
All right. It's just like corn and sweet.
Mm-hmm. Okay, at first it was warming and then it just like fell off.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
some barrel char, but it's sweet and there's some kind of spice. It's very simple.
It is.
There's not much going on.
And almost no finish.
Yeah, it's not interesting. All right. B. I like that one better.
Me too. It's got more of like a caramelized flavor to it, and there's a little bit more spice. Not a ton more, but a little bit more.
This A was more watery. This one feels a little more viscous.
Yeah.
There's some, like neither one of these have a ton going on, but I'm getting like barrel char flavor out of the finish, especially on this one. I would pick B.
Me too.
What would you want to pay for A?
I wouldn't pay for A.
Well, what about B?
Not much. I don't
to
know
be honest,
what's
no, just say it.
What's the least amount?
And if you don't say the right thing, I'm gonna be super mad. So
I know. He's gonna punish me later. He's gonna be like, "You embarrassed me." I don't know what is like an inexpensive.
Like these taste a little higher proof.
Do they? Okay.
Don't they? Maybe not.
I don't know.
It's weird. Like on the nose, I felt like they're higher proof, but they don't have flavor. But it's still on my tongue. Like I can.
Yeah, I can still feel B. Yeah, I mean,
I don't think these are very expensive. I don't know, $40 for B.
Yeah, sure.
$30 for A. $25.
$0 for A.
Okay, $0 is the loser. What do we got? What? No, I like this one. What in the world? Ben Holladay Soft Red Wheat 6-year Rickhouse Proof, 120.1 proof. Okay, so wheaters have less. I always feel like going on.
What was the proof?
120.1.
What? I'm not experiencing the proof at all. Like, at all. Okay.
Wow. Well, okay, I think the Ben Holladay Soft Red Wheat that I really liked was the one when I put it in the mini barrel. And it was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not much going on. Okay, what's B?
Okay, let's see.
And this was what? I didn't write what it cost. I think it's about $70 bottle.
This is Ben Holladay 6-year Rickhouse.
Okay.
This is 120.1 proof as well.
$75?
$75.
Okay, so from the same distillery, this is just the bourbon with the wheated mash bill, and this is the one with the rye mash bill.
Once again, rye is better than wheat.
Well, it's a bourbon.
Well,
yeah,
I
with
know,
the rye.
But
yeah, I'm mostly It is.
The proof is in the whiskey. I'm pretty sure that's the same.
Yeah, you're right. That is it. Good job. Yeah. Wow. That's a bummer. There you go. Just go buy rare breed.
Ooh,
I'm gonna have to put
like rare breed.
Ooh,
have some rare breed right now.
Let's compare it to these.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Pause.
Okay, so full disclosure, I have not had rare breed for, I don't know the last time I purchased a bottle. It was a year and a half ago at least, because I was so busy hunting stuff. I finally got one not too long ago. It's so good. It's so good. It's in Oregon. It's $53. We're gonna do a video of like the allocated stuff, some of it that we've been able to get, and if it's actually worth the price and the hunt and all that stuff versus some shelfers in Oregon, at least. I don't know. Try it. What do you think? It's lower proof. It's 116.7 or 8, 116.8 proof. Man.
That feels like you're drinking something. That
dude
knocks
no comparison.
Both of these out.
No comparison. The sweet, rich spice, a little bit of citrus on the finish, tang, caramel, vanilla, oak. Dude, yeah. Just go buy rare breed. It's so good. It's so good and available. My goodness. Are you kidding me? Oh, wait. I got to do back to back. This is the Ben Holladay Rickhouse Proof 6 year. Nope. Sorry. Man, maybe if they come out with like a 10-year-old product.
Yeah.
I will say the Rickhouse Proof, the weeded one that I put in a full-size mini barrel, really improved a bunch. But rare breed in a mini barrel is bonkers good.
Yeah.
It's so good. Okay. What do you think of the three? What would you take? This drinks as a more expensive bottle.
It does.
It really does. It's so good. Till next time.
All right. Probably mess it up, and then you're gonna probably be mad at me and take it out on me the rest of the evening.
Either way, that's what's happening. No matter how this goes, that's what I'm doing. So
I knew it. All right.
Yep.
Get ready. Here you go.